Hi again everyone, this is York here from Test Equipment Depot, and I'm going to introduce to you the Fluke 175 Digital Multimeter. This has a 6,000 count display which provides better resolution. It reads True RMS both on AC voltage and current for accurate readings on all waveforms. It has minimum, maximum, average, records irregular activity. It has auto and manual hold. This will also measure frequency, capacitance, and resistance. It is IEC 1010 Category 4 rated at 600 volts and Category 3 rated at 1000 volts for greater safety. Thank you for watching. I am York with Test Equipment Depot.